guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to create and set up virtual hard disk or hard drive in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we go to the start, right click on the start. Here we find disk management, click on the disk management. In disk management, we find our all hard disks and CD-ROM. In this case, I have 3 hard disks. Disk number 0, 500 GB, disk number 2, 2 TB, and disk number 2 is also 2 TB, and 1 CD-ROM. And I want to create a virtual hard disk. I go to this PC. In this PC, I show you my hard disk. My hard disk is CDE, our drive. It is an actual drive. I give this C, D, and E. And I want to create a new disk. That is very easy. Go to the action in disk management, click on action. In action, we find create a VHD. Click on the create a VHD virtual hard disk or hard drive. Click at here. And here we find location. It's asked to location where you want to save your virtual hard disk. Click at here, browse, and go anywhere that you want. I'm going to the desktop. You can go anywhere on your PC or laptop. Click on desktop. Here I want to create a new folder. So I right click on the here and click on the new and click on the folder, and I give the disk. You can give any name and double click on that folder. Double click on that folder, and in file name give any name. I give hard disk. You can give any name. And in save as type, I give the virtual disk files VHD. You can go to the VHDX or virtual disk files. I go to the first, click on the save. Our location is now saved. Next option is virtual hard disk size. It is an MB, and I want to create a in GB or TB. If you want to create a 500 GB, then click at here and give the 500 GB, 700 GB. Give any GB that you want. I give the 1 TB. TB is very large. I go to the TB and I give the 4 TB. You can give up to 64 TB. Next option is virtual hard disk format. VHD is supported for the 200 or the 2 TB, and I want to add 4 TB. That's why I go to the VHDX. It supports up to 64 TB. And next option is virtual hard disk type. Go with the dynamical expanding. Go to the dynamical expanding and click on the OK. Select that and click on the OK. Now our 4 TB hard disk is created. Right click on this disk. Under this disk, we find unknown. Click on here. Right click on it and click on initialize disk. We want to initialize our disk. Click on initialize disk. Here we find 2 types of partition, MBR and GPT, and Windows 10 is latest, so I go with the GPT. GPT is supported for the Windows 10, Windows 11. I go with the GPT partition. It is a modern partition. Click on OK, and it's restart or the create our disk. Now right click on the blank space or the blank space or the backspace. Right click on it, blank space, and click on new sample volume. Click on the next. I give the entire free space to this drive. Click on next. Give the drive letter that you want, J, H, I. I give the I and click on the next. Click on next. Click on finish. It's format our hard disk. Now minimize it. Go to this PC. In this PC, we find newly created drive I, and it is on 4 TB. You can use this drive as your hard disk. So guys, this is the simplest way to create and set up virtual hard disk or hard drive in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.